Hey guys, it's Sarah from AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the Carvin Exhaust 5-inch ceramic black direct fit exhaust tips fitting your 09 through 18 5.7 liter Ram 1500s with factory dual exhaust. These 5-inch dual exhaust tips feature a stainless steel construction and a nice black ceramic finish. These are for the Ram owner who likes the sound of their factory exhaust but are looking for a larger black aftermarket tip. So these tips alone are not going to change the sound of your exhaust, but the addition of them can really improve the look of the rear of your Ram. Coming in at around $220, these tips are middle of the road price-wise when compared to other options. However, these are one of the largest ones that are offered, and they also feature this nice black finish. I'm giving this install a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches. It features a direct bolt-up installation with no cutting required and can be done in approximately 30 minutes. Alright, with that said, let's jump right into our install. For this install, you will need a ratchet and a 13mm socket. Alright, so we have our truck in the air and supported. We're just doing this so you guys can get a better look at what's going on. You're not going to need a lift or a jack to get this done. You can pretty easily get to your tips by just laying under your truck. With that said, we're going to loosen up our clamps holding on our tips, grab your 13mm socket, and let's get these off. We're going to loosen this clamp to remove our tip section, and the clamp will come with it because it's welded here at the bottom. Repeat that for the other side. Alright, now that we have our factory tips removed from our truck, we can put them side by side with our Carvin exhaust tips, really check out some of the differences. Now, as you can see, the Carvin exhaust tips are quite a bit larger than factory. They come in at 5 inches. They also feature this great ceramic black coating, which is a big change up from the factory polished tips. Carvin also includes 2 additional clamps, so you don't have to wrestle with the existing clamps, making install a breeze. Alright, with that said, let's get these installed on our truck. Place the clamp over the factory exhaust and then line up your tip. Put the clamp over both the tip and the factory exhaust, and we're going to tighten it down a little bit for now and then adjust later. Repeat that on the other side. So with our tip loosely connected to the rest of our exhaust, you can move it around and line it up with your bumper how you see fit, and it is nice that there is quite a bit of adjustability here. But once you have it right around where you want it, grab your 13mm socket and tighten it the rest of the way. Alright, that is going to do it for the review and install of our Carvin exhaust tips. Remember, for all things Ram, keep it at AmericanTrucks.com.